Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and removing the SIM and SD. Do this now so you avoid power shorts. Once done, lay out tools. PH00 screwdriver, T5, plastic picks, suction cup, and an anti-static mat. These specific tools prevent damage. Make sure to note the model and count screws as you go, labeling them. Don't waste time on theory. Start prying at the recommended seam. Use steady pressure and a suction cup to lift the glass slightly before sliding a pick around the edge. Once the perimeter is heated to about 60 to 70 degrees C, the adhesive softens and the glass will separate more predictably. Use a heat gun or pad and move it continuously. You then lift the screen carefully. When the panel is free enough, disconnect the battery first to eliminate live circuits, and only after that detach the display and digitizer flex cables. Make sure to remove any small brackets or EMI shields and inspect connectors for corrosion or torn ribbon before installing the replacement. You now place fresh adhesive and connect the new display and battery, but keep the assembly unsealed so you can test before final closure. Power the phone on and verify touch responsiveness, display uniformity, front and rear camera focus, proximity sensor, and speaker output. This prevents rework. If a problem appears, recheck and reseat connectors, inspect for debris, or try swapping known good modules. If nothing works, reinstall the original screen to confirm component failure. This troubleshooting step isolates whether the new part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.